Okay folks, I can hardly believe it myself, but today is the day that I'm actually going to fit this Toyota Team Europe style bar. So these particular style bars, I don't know if they were an option in other countries, but they were part of the Toyota Team Europe package. It is not a roll bar. They have been proved to provide some protection if the car has rolled over. Yeah, it's not designed as a roll bar, it's a style piece. Although some people say that this thing, in the event of an accident, would actually just bend over and squash you in the head. Don't know, but two things with that. I don't drive my MR2 like I stole it, and if you spent all your time worrying about dying, you wouldn't actually live. Now, when you do buy them, part of the kit are these trim pieces. So when you cut the hole for this to go down and into, and we'll go out to the car shortly, these push down over the plastic trim behind the seat to give it a nice finish. I mean, they should actually be on there, but if they obviously become damaged and they're not with this bar, then there's no big deal. What you could do is buy a nice thick rubber O-ring just to push down over the top, and I think that would look okay. You know you're getting a proper bar because it's actually imprinted into the bar there, TTE, Team Toyota Europe. So I have somewhere some instructions. Okay, so there is instructions and a template document of how to put this together. Now what I've done is I've used my printer to expand the sizes up and down to see if I can get something close, because quite often when you print things on an A4 piece of paper, they don't always come out as you would expect them to. And I have also managed to get hold of the actual Toyota instructions fitting them. Let's just have a little quick look at what the instructions say. They're partially in German and have been converted. So yeah, so there's this piece here, which is that trim piece there. And this is what you should have. So these trim pieces, template, and this is the section on the back of the car, which we'll see shortly, which you use on the template. So on the template here, you got these two points here, and they're where the plastic studs are that they show you here and here. And that's where you would put this in to locate, to then be able to cut the panel. There we go. So you place the template on there and cut, and then underneath there are some existing bolts for you to just bolt that in. You don't need to buy any other hardware, you should have the bolts there. And then it tells you about pushing those rings down to finish the cut edge. And in theory it should be as simple as that. Part number for the bar was originally that. As I say, it's not, I don't think it's no longer an option now. I don't think they actually sell them. So, as we know, what's supposed to take a short period of time in theory can sometimes quite often end up taking half a day. Let's get out to the car and start fitting this thing.